Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. We usually don't celebrate Onam at home, but just to have the fun of having food on a banana leaf, we prepared a simple sadhya. Let's get started with the sambar. I've taken potato, drumsticks, raw banana and a few pumpkin pieces. You can take any vegetable of your choice. I'm adding in little tamarind water, salt and turmeric, and I'm going to cook it on a stove top. On the other side, simultaneously fry lady's finger that's to be added into the sambar. Sadhya has a base of coconut oil and coconuts. Everything is cooked in coconut oil. Now add a teaspoon of coconut oil, cumin seeds, dal, and fry them on low heat. We are going to prepare masala for the sambar. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of coriander. Add curry leaves and shallots, about 10 to 12. In our pressure cooker, we have already cooked in tomatoes, dal, green chilies and garlic. We will be adding this to the sambar. To the masala, add a handful of grated coconut. Fry them until they change color, but be careful that they don't get burnt. 2 or 3 red chilies, and don't forget to check on your vegetables. When they are cooked, we shall add in our dal. To the coconut mixture, now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of chili powder, things were done simultaneously in order to save time because there were lots of other things to be prepared. Add in the fried lady's finger to the sambar. Our coconut mixture, I've grinded it into a smooth paste, and we shall be adding that also. And our sambar will be ready. Finally, we need to temper the sambar. The tempering for any kind of food on a sadhya falls on this base: coconut oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds or fennel seeds depending upon your choice, curry leaves and red chilies. The mango pachadi is a very simple recipe. Again, the tempering is done using the coconut oil, mustard seeds, curry leaves and red chilies. Here we have used mangoes along with the skin. If you don't like the skin, then you can peel it off and then use the mangoes. Mango pachadi is on a sweeter side. We'll be adding jaggery syrup to this. Add red chili powder, water, salt, and cook until the mangoes turn soft and tender. Now let's see how to make avial. For avial, you can take any kinds of vegetables that are cut into thin long strips. I've taken carrot, beans, raw banana, potato and drumsticks. We'll be adding salt and cook them without adding any water. Add in few curry leaves for extra smell and keep stirring the vegetables in between without breaking them. For the avial, we need to make a paste. I've taken grated coconuts, cumin seeds, 4 to 5 garlic, 2 green chilies and grind them without adding any water. Add this mixture to the cooked vegetables. Once the raw smell of the coconut goes, switch off the flame and then add the curd. Here we have taken thick curd. Add about half a cup of curd and finally add in coconut oil and close the lid to lock the flavor. Next we'll see how to make olan. Olan is a recipe made using coconut milk and cowpeas. Here I'm making pumpkin olan. Pressure cook cowpeas separately for about 15 minutes and then add pumpkin pieces to them and coconut milk and salt and pressure cook again until they are cooked to this consistency. Switch off the stove, add in thick coconut milk, coconut oil, salt and some curry leaves. Mix well and our olan is ready. Next, let's see how to make erisheri. Again, erisheri is made using cowpeas and I'm using yum. Pressure cook cowpeas separately and then add yum, chili powder, salt and pressure cook until yum is soft and tender. Grind grated coconut paste to this and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. For seasoning the erisheri, add coconut oil, mustard seeds, shallots, curry leaves, red chilies and grated coconut. And wait until the coconut turns golden brown. On the other side, payasam was getting ready. This time it was a very simple payasam. It was a dal payasam. I will show the detailed recipe of the dal payasam in another video. Once the coconut has turned golden brown, add in the erisheri and add about 1 tablespoon of jaggery syrup. On the other side, the payasam was also ready. All the dishes were ready on time and the kids were ready to enjoy the meal. So that is all about today's video. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video. If so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload new video. So bye bye everybody. We'll meet you soon again in a new video.